Hey Cheryl, it's really very easy to add students to your course. I'm assuming that you're wanting to add students to your lit course. So let's say that this is your lit course. So you're going to click on it and there's two ways. So you can go to people and you can go to add people and you can select login ID and then just start entering the student IDs, and you can just um, you can put a comma after each one and you can list them all and next, and it'll get them all signed up. If you don't want to do that, then you can go into settings and you can go stay in course details, and you can go down here to more options, and you can let students self-enroll by sharing with them a secret URL or code. So when you click on that, you can do that too if you want, but it doesn't matter. And then you update course details. Once you've updated course details, then you'll see down here this course has been enabled for self-enrollment. And then just copy this link and put it in on your web page, or tell the kids to go here, and all they do, it's super easy. They can do it in their phone. I'll show you. I'm going to copy that and then I'm just going to paste it in a browser. And when I do that, I'm going to enroll in my course. It's enroll in course. One click and they've successfully enrolled in your course. So I hope that helps, and should be pretty easy. Thanks.